Actually is more of a winter squash, but it looks kind of like a summer squash, so I'm using it. Now, zucchinis are truly amazing. I've traveled through Washington, through Wisconsin, through New York, all across the northern United States, and people tell me that they have so many zucchinis that they have to try to give them away, but they can't because everybody has so many of them. They get huge, you can eat them when they're giant, or you can eat them when they're small if you want them to be more tender. So zucchinis are a must for a huge amount of sustenance and being extremely easy to grow. The next one I want to talk about is beans. And beans are truly incredible. You can either eat them fresh, right off of the vine or the bush. There's pole beans and there's bush beans. You can eat them fresh. You can wait for them to dry on the vine to have dried beans like you would buy at the store, like your pinto beans or your black beans or your lentils. Or you can can them. These are canned ones, for example.